Hi all, this is Srimati from Financial Planning team of iThought. Today I have a very different wealth story to share. This is about Arvind and Rashmi, who are based out of Delhi and they are in their 50s, and they have their daughter Suhana. She recently got married. She fell in love with Anshul and she relocated to Pune. Since Diwali was around the corner and all the festivities was around the corner, they were thinking what to gift for their daughter, and because of COVID and other lockdown situations, they couldn't visit their daughter. So when they were contemplating whether to give them jewelries or sweets or the traditional gifts, they thought that why not gift a financial plan for our daughter. And that's how they ended up gifting a financial plan for Suhana. Suhana and Anshul are based out of Pune and they are a couple who work for a bank and an MNC. Suhana earns an income of around 20 lakhs per annum and Anshul has an income of 24 lakhs per annum. When Arvind and Rashmi were thinking about gifting the plan, Arvind had this thought in his mind that this will help Suhana and Anshul set right their finances right from the beginning. He knew that Suhana could invest in equities and this will help her in the long term. She would not have to depend on ULIPs or any other insurance-based products or even take loans to fund their future financial goals. This would also mean that they would have insurance in their kitty, meaning term insurance, health insurance, and they will be adequately insured from the beginning. This would mean that Suhana and Anshul have the right amount of insurance and investments in place, and that's how we got to meet Suhana and Anshul in our family. So we started doing their financial plan and we went through their finances and their background altogether, and we started recommending them few things on their financial plan. We will see how the process went, but before that I would like to say that because Suhana and Anshul did a plan with us, we helped them through a lot of things. Firstly, to develop a security that their investments and insurance were taken care of. They were very confident that they could fuse the future job loss or pay cut or any of the things that could crop up. We also helped them combine their finances and have a holistic approach towards their family's financial journey. Now, let's see what was their process in doing the financial plans and how we helped them. Firstly, we went through their cash flows. Suhana's and Anshul's income was around 3.3 lakhs per month, and Anshul was contributing some amount towards his PF and Suhana was also doing the same. Suhana was investing around 5,000 per month towards her SIP in a mid-cap fund. Through the cash flow analysis, we helped them understand what was their savings potential and how much they could set out towards investments every month. It also was an interesting exercise for them to understand where their expenses were going every month. The second important thing that we did was to understand the risk management aspect. Suhana already had a FD for rupees 4 lakhs, but we made them understand that contingency reserve needs to be at least 6 months worth of expenses, and we helped them top up the contingency reserve. They had company sponsored policy for 2 lakhs each, but we helped them take a family floater and a top up cover for their health, and also we suggested them a COVID cover during these times. And about investments, we reviewed Suhana's investments and we felt that her risk profile did not match with whatever she was doing. What we did was we bifurcated their goals and we tagged investments towards their goals so that they could do investments specific to their goals, be it the vacation or the retirement or any other long-term goal that they had in place. This way, we made sure that Suhana and Anshul are investing their money towards their goals, and the investments were based on their risk profile and the time horizon attached to their goals. Apart from this, we also helped them take the term insurance. Both of them took term insurance of around 3 crores. And we also made them understand that it's not only about the investments or the insurance, it's about holistically viewing their personal finance in order to feel confident with their financial or with the cash flow that they earn every month. Through this process, Suhana and Anshul understood how much they need to save towards their goals. We also created an investment mix for their financial goals. Now they are very confident about facing their future. The happiest person amongst this is Arvind, who gifted a financial plan for his daughter. He knows that they are at the right place now. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to gift a financial plan for your loved one for Diwali, for any other festivities in the future, please feel free to reach out to us. We will be happy to do that for you.